the midnight encounter. As she slipped into the moonlit pool, the water's cool embrace enveloped her. Suddenly, a hand grasped her ankle, pulling her beneath the surface. She emerged, gasping, to find him smiling mischievously. Their eyes locked, and the world around them melted away. Without a word, they surrendered to the night, their bodies entwining like the shadows on the pool's floor. In that fleeting moment, they found a connection that defied the darkness, a spark that would linger long after the night's secrets were washed away.